Welcome to the world of IPTV, where entertainment options are vast and exciting experiences await you. Curious about IPTV but unsure where to start? We've got you covered with step-by-step guidance. First, you need to select a reliable IPTV provider. Not all providers are created equal. Consider a provider like 2TV.store, known for exceptional service and a vast content library. Once you've chosen, set up your system by connecting your IPTV box to your internet. Download the necessary software or app on your device to stream channels smoothly. Enter the subscription details provided by your IPTV provider to unlock your access. Explore your content library, packed with live channels, movies, shows, and more. You can pause, rewind, or replay content, enhancing your viewing experience. On-demand content. IPTV services have you covered. Access series and movies easily. Face any issues. Most providers offer customer support to assist you promptly. Upgrade your IPTV experience with premium services, offering more globally diverse channels. Customize your watch list, ensuring you never miss an episode of your favorite shows. For the best experience, a stable internet connection is crucial. Ensure seamless streaming. So, are you ready to transform your television experience with IPTV? Start today. Remember, for quality IPTV, check out 2TV.store. Happy streaming.